okay. Yeah.
Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. So I haven't been feeling well of late, and I think you guys can see that I don't look well. I haven't been feeling well of late, so because I haven't been feeling well, I haven't been able to make content, and I'm trying to vlogmas, imagine. Yeah, so I got bladder infection, and that just messed everything up because I was sick for a full week. Then I went to the doctor, then I was told what it was, then I got like injections and stuff, but the injection made it worse because now like I couldn't walk anymore, like my leg was acting up, so I've just been healing. I'm obviously still healing now, but right now I'm just like forcing myself to be strong or to like toughen up because I have so much to do. It's almost festive season as well, so I'm trying to be okay so that I can get some work done. I'm already like a week behind on literally everything: school, work, business, life. I'm jolo. I'm a week behind on everything. Not even a week, like 2 weeks behind, which is really not good. But yeah, I hope you guys are well. Hope you guys have been drinking water and minding your business. This is just like a reset vlog. Genuinely speaking, it's just such a reset vlog because, I need to reset. I'm just trying to get my strength back at this point in time. So reset vlog, I've just been, taking my meds, trying to clean up when I can. I think that's just my life of late. Watching sorry, someone's looking at me from outside. I haven't even been watching TV. I don't have strength for TV. Just been on my phone here and there. I'm a bit sad. I don't know if I should say like I'm a bit depressed, because I've never like been this sick. Yeah, I've never been this sick in my life, like where like I can't walk, I can't move around. It's usually just like your basic sickness. So I've never really been this sick in my life. So it is a bit sad because I don't know how to act. And also it's hard to try explain how you feel to somebody, to explain that, oh no, this is how I feel, this is how my body is, etc., etc. So I've just been trying to navigate around that. But yeah, I'm getting better, praise God. One thing about God, he will show up, so I will be fine. I will definitely be okay. That's positive faith talking now. I'll definitely be okay. Yeah, it's just like what I've been going through, I guess, of late. I want you guys to tell me in the comments how many Vlogmas videos you want me to drop, because I'm not sure if I'm traveling this December. I'm not sure if I'm going to be at home. I'm not sure what events I'm attending. I'm not even sure what I'm doing. Like, I had everything figured out, but now because I fell sick, I don't even know. So just tell me how many Vlogmas videos you're expecting from me. And then I'm going to try achieve that. Please don't say anything over 20, because that is not happening. But yeah, let me know how many Vlogmas videos you all want, and I will get to that. Yeah.
It's
just talk about this day. Obviously had like my aunts and my cousins and everyone come over. They just came to see me because, I was down bad. And then they were just washing the cars and stuff. Such like a pretty chill day. My heart was so full because I was really down bad. And then like everybody pulled up, Good vibes.
Hey guys, welcome back to Faith Lee's channel. So who's that? Who does that? Yeah. Shout out to me. So yeah guys, Faith unfortunately is no longer with us, and so she has trusted me to take over this channel and to take care of you guys. So yeah, you guys got me now, but like nah, I'm just kidding, y'all. But like, she has a bladder infection, so yeah, I'll be taking over for some time. But don't worry, you're in good hands. She's on bed rest for some time, but yeah.
Bladder infection.
Yeah. Bladder infection.
Bladder. So you can't pee nicely.
But yeah, still good. So you got me, and yeah. What are we doing today? Okay, today I'll be teaching you guys how to roll. So I've been rolling for like rolling is an art, and so I've been practicing this art.
So yeah, I was just like venting to my chickens because I feel like whenever like I vent, they listen to me, and they just give like the best advice. Just one good, and I just know that he's saying you're valid. Look at me. Face card never declines even when I'm sick. Nah, I'm joking, guys. I actually look so bad. Like, it's not even funny. Okay, so we're gonna try this out. It's honeydew, I think. I don't know. I think it's honeydew. My sister's saying it's honeydew. But we're gonna try it out today for the first time. I don't know how it tastes. I don't think I've ever tasted it. Unless I tasted it in like fruit salads or something. So yeah, let's taste it and see how it tastes. Yeah, I got a teaspoon goba and funitram. I don't wanna okay, but I'm taking so much. This is how much I took. It's okay. It doesn't taste bad at all. It tastes like papaya with watermelon. And it has a bit of like, I don't know if I should say banana or strawberry as well. It tastes like papaya, watermelon, and banana. Yeah, it tastes like papaya, watermelon, and banana. Not strawberry, but banana, definitely. That's what it tastes like. Guys, my crush is facing me right now. I don't know if he's trying to wave at me or... Goodbye. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and switch on post notifications and do all that good stuff. Also, like, drop some really cool Vlogmas ideas for me in the comments. Yeah, or give me Vlogmas video content ideas. I don't want to vlog. Like, I want to make a whole lot of fun sit down content or challenges. I don't want to have too many vlogs. I feel like I've been vlogging all year long. I'm tired of that. Bye.